A netizen commented, "If there are no aliens in the universe, it is the most chilling upon deeper thought. If there is only one bird in a forest, it means that the forest is fake, and the bird was placed there. A fish that lives in the sea, yet cannot find any other fish, implies it's in an aquarium, not the sea." Since the birth of human civilization, an ancient mystery has always lingered. Namely, exactly how vast is the universe? It was only in modern times, when people invented the telescope, that we first came to understand the universe and realized how insignificant humanity is in it. So then, could it be that humanity alone exists in the universe, the only type of intelligent civilization? And why, until now, has there been no concrete evidence to confirm other intelligent life forms? Or is it that they have already been discovered, but we ordinary people are unable to know about them? Today, Shi has gathered some information to discuss with you all this thought-provoking take on human civilization. Have you ever pondered this question? Beyond Earth lies the universe, but what lies beyond the universe? Is it an endless void? Or perhaps a grander realm formed by various civilizations? Beyond our comprehension? Are we merely a tiny proton in the universe? Regarding this fishbowl notion, in fact, it was mentioned by someone many years ago. Most notably, last year, in a British interstellar magazine, a paper was published offering an interesting hypothesis on why humanity has yet to find intelligent life by presenting an intriguing theory. All along, everyone believed that perhaps human technology is too outdated to be capable of finding those much more intelligent life forms or civilizations. Yet, this paper offered a different view. It was argued that humans might be akin to fish, and Earth is just an enclosure, a fish bowl confining that civilization from which they can never escape. At present, scientists have, over centuries of research, scientifically demonstrated that within the Milky Way alone, there are at least 1 million intelligent life forms existing. Stephen Hawking once said, "If humanity can never find someone who has traveled back in time from the future, then it only proves that before the invention of the time machine, humans had already become extinct." Elon Musk has more than once emphasized that a world without alien civilizations is the most terrifying. Just like on Earth, you won't find a single drop of pure natural water. If a fish lives in an entirely unpolluted ocean, that in itself is the biggest problem. The moon, which we can see every day, in the eyes of astronomers, is an astonishingly huge enigma. It appears to be tailor-made for Earth. Everything is unerringly perfect. The moon's volume constitutes 30% of Earth's, while other moons typically comprise roughly 10% of their planet size. Moreover, the moon's rotation and revolution are completely synchronized with Earth's cycle, which also ensures that we humans never get to see its far side. It always only shows one face to Earth, and the distance is also extremely precise. When all these perfect conditions combine, it becomes the most absurdly arranged scenario. If no one had deliberately arranged it, how could the moon form in such a poetically intentional manner? Could the moon be naturally formed? Imagine an aquarium where humans gather to feed and care for it, providing it with oxygen, with seagrass, water changes, etc. That is analogous to the moon in relation to us humans. And that is just one of the questions that astronomers ponder. Humanity has adapted to many abnormal phenomena. Over time, their existence is taken for granted, and no one questions it. The same applies to the universe we depend on for survival. If, before the extinction of humanity, no aliens are discovered, then our environment is merely an aquarium. Precisely, it's our solar system's environment, which is essentially an aquarium. I once watched a movie that depicted a dome above our unknown Earth, a dome or canopy that humanity can never break through or see the real world. And in recent years, after extensive research, scientists have discovered that within our galaxy there is a glass-like wall, which scientists refer to as the Oort Cloud. Even though humanity's Voyager 1 has completed its exploration of the solar system, it's still confined by the sun's gravity, and humans can never breach the Oort Cloud because the diameter of this barrier extends for 1 light year, which strongly supports the fishbowl universe theory. In September 1977, a special probe, Voyager 1, entered space with an important mission. It remains the farthest traveling probe with the most collected data. In the past 40+ years, it has traveled 221 kilometers. Scientists once speculated that It might have exited the solar system in 2012, but as of now, it still hasn't achieved that. It turns out, outside the solar system, there is a huge net that blocks Voyager 1E's path. Scientists have named it the Oort Cloud. It completely encloses the solar system, preventing us from venturing beyond our solar system and protecting Earth from any stray asteroids that might otherwise destroy Earth. Without this net, any asteroid from outside the solar system moving about might collide with Earth, leading to Earth's destruction. Then, in 2012, a renowned scientific journal published a paper that stated, researchers detected 150 light-years away a band of space that contained no matter, nor any planets. It acted like a wall separating two worlds. Scientists proposed a bold hypothesis. Namely, if the Oort Cloud was designed to imprison humanity and prevent us from exploring the solar system, then this wall prevents any form of life in this galaxy from becoming aware of the universe. For exploring its mysteries, only two outcomes. One is a death sentence, and the other is eventual release. Of course, this is merely speculation. Perhaps humanity will never be able to explore these incomprehensible cosmic realms.